Hello. Okay. So now if you want to add a page, so process is same. First, go to the right side and click on page. All pages. So here is your pages: about me, blogs, content, home. If you want to add a new page, so click on add new page. Write the name of your page is here and must publish the page because this is mandatory. Beside this, your page will not be live, okay, and not shown in menu sections and on website as well. So it's mandatory. And here is a Elementor. I have installed a plugin. Name is Elementor Pro. Okay, on your website. This is used to design the new page, or it means it is using for designing a page. Okay, so you can if you want to design a page, you can use this and click on it, and if your page is live, so you can see loading, Elementor loading. So you can see, so easily you can design your page by using Elementor. Okay, and after that publish is mandatory. Okay, thank you so much.